Hi, I'm George, and if you've been struggling with stubborn toilet stains, unpleasant odors, or that frustrating feeling that no matter how much you scrub, your toilet never really looks clean, you're definitely not alone. For years, I dealt with limescale buildup, bad smells, and the constant hassle of scrubbing toilets by hand. I tried harsh chemicals and quick fixes that only worked temporarily when they worked at all. But then I discovered something that completely changed my routine. And before I tell you what it is, there are two very important warnings you need to hear. First, be extremely careful where you buy it. Fake versions have already started appearing online. The original FizzClean is only available on the official website, which I've placed below this video. Second, this is not an instant miracle or bleach-based chemical. FizzClean is a science-backed cleaning formula designed to work with water and time to naturally break down stains, odors, and buildup without scrubbing or damaging your toilet. So what exactly is FizzClean and why are so many people talking about it? FizzClean is a powerful cleaning powder created to deep clean toilets using carefully selected ingredients such as oxygen-releasing agents, citric acid, sodium bicarbonate, surfactants, and deodorizing compounds. Instead of simply masking odors or lightly cleaning the surface, FizzClean works at the source, creating millions of active bubbles that penetrate every corner of the toilet bowl, dissolving limescale, grime, and stubborn stains. Every batch is manufactured under strict quality standards and tested for safety and effectiveness, helping deliver a visibly cleaner toilet, fresher smell, and a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Before FizzClean, I felt defeated. I thought things were improving, but the stains and odors always came back, more frustrating each time. Today, tens of thousands of people have made FizzClean part of their cleaning routine and report sparkling clean toilets, no lingering odors, and zero scrubbing without harsh chemicals or unpleasant fumes. Of course, every toilet is different. Some users notice results after the first use, while tougher stains may require a few applications for the best outcome, as the formula works to fully dissolve years of buildup. That's why FizzClean comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, making this a completely risk-free decision. I can honestly say that today I feel relief every time I walk into my bathroom, clean, fresh, and stress-free. FizzClean gave me back something I thought I had lost forever, a toilet that stays clean without effort. I created this video for one simple reason, to share something that truly worked for me and to protect you from counterfeit products that could damage your plumbing and waste your money. If you decide to try FizzClean, commit to the process and use it exactly as recommended. Every formula is produced under strict quality controls and tested multiple times, so you know exactly what you're using in your home. More than 75,000 customers have already taken this step, and they can't all be wrong. The official link is right below this video, in the description and in the first pinned comment. Do this for yourself. Rediscover the comfort, cleanliness, and peace of mind you truly deserve.